Hey guys, Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. We also have another location in Kennesaw, that's 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. And for all of our Carsville people out there, we love you guys. Make sure you guys give us a call at that same number, the 678-485-385-4515, or you can still give us a call at the 770-693-0769. But always, for everybody out there, you can always follow us on the web at computersplususa.com. Now, what we're going to talk about today is Women Wednesday. And Women Wednesday is a day that here at Computers Plus, we've been doing it for the past 3 years, and we give 10% off to any woman having issues with her technology and it may need to be serviced, or maybe looking to purchase something. So you get 10% off on Wednesday for Women Wednesday. So I want to just let everyone know that why we do that is because women give so much support, and without women, I know I wouldn't be alive. So with women, with that being said, we give 10% off any service or any product. So if you need advice, make sure you give us a call. And if you want just to figure out, is it worth fixing or not, you can always drop it off for a free diagnostic on Wednesdays, but also on Fridays, so that we open that for everybody. Reminding everybody about our food drive that we do every single day here at Computers Plus. So if you want to save some money off your service or your product on any part of the day, it doesn't matter, bring in some canned goods and we'll give you a discount off of your service or product up to $25. That is awesome. We do that every day. And we've done it now for 3 years. So you may be wondering, why do I got this title that says Geek Squad Scam? Okay, let's get back to the nuts and bolts of this conversation. The reason why is because there is a hack out there going out into a lot of people's email box. And you may have had service with Geek Squad, but then since with Best Buy having their challenges in today's economy, you may not have Geek Squad anymore. And you say, well, I had Geek Squad, I don't have it anymore. It's been like 2 years since I've had it. And so, you may be a little savvy, and you may decide not to call that number, because what that email will say is it will say, hey, we've processed your payment of $600 through Geek Squad. And with that, we need you to give us a call because we just need to finish updating our pre-installed information already on your computer. And you may say, wait a minute, okay, $600 pre-installed, what? And you may be a little more savvy, and you may actually go onto Google, because who has Geek Squad's phone number in the contact books? Really? Or anything like that. I hope you have us in your contact book, because we're here to serve you on all your technology needs. But okay, so you may be a little savvy, and these hackers are they're getting more and more successful. And that's just putting it point blank at hacking into our information. And so there's a lot of filters out there that you can do for your email, for your browser, that you can set by yourself to just make yourself that much more safe. It's like locking your doors when you go to sleep at night. Everyone, I hope, locks their doors when they go to sleep at night. So be a little savvy, find the number, and then these hackers that have gotten so successful, like I said, and they will create websites that look like Geek Squad, that may have a different browser spelling of Geek Squad. And you may just accidentally stumble onto that one, and then thinking that, okay, is it Geek Squad? Okay, it looks like a Geek Squad. There's a number, let me call them. And then that email is in relation to that phone number. And that person says, hey, okay, so you're on the phone saying, hey, I never processed $600. What's this all about? What's going on? And then they'll say, okay, let us into your computer so we can take out the information that we've already pre-installed. And you're like, okay, well, if this is going to get me to get my $600 back, have at it. Just because you're frustrated. And now that person gets into your system, and then they turn your screen blue. And all you see is that mouse moving around. And now you're saying, okay, what's going on? And the person is on the phone saying, oh, this is how it looks, and I can see it fine, let me just fix that. And they're just going through your system, getting passwords, pictures, anything they can lock down. And through that conversation, you may start saying, you know what, this is it, I'm done, look, and then you may unplug your computer while they're on the phone and say, look, this is taking too long. What did you install on my computer? And then they come back and say, now we have all your information. Pay us X amount of dollars in Bitcoin, or Bitcoin typically, or gift cards, and we'll give you all your information back. Now I've come to the point where you're saying, okay, what do I do? And there's a lot of great IT companies out in your community. Give them a call. Ask your questions. Tell them, hey, well, this is what's going on, because your antivirus, you call your McAfee, your Norton, they're just going to say, hey, pay us X amount of dollars to get back into your computer. And then, especially if it's hardware or if it's sensitive data on that computer, you're like, okay, wait a second. I need to go to someone face to face. And here at Computers Plus, we talk with you face to face, and we talk about the issues, and we talk about what's going on with the particular issue that you're having. And this Geek Squad scam is going around. So if you know somebody or just maybe experienced it yourself, but maybe just got the email and want to find out, well, how do I get that email? Because I'm not on the list. Talk to your local IT professional. Give us a call at the 770-693-0769. We would love to talk with you and figure out how we can help you and how to get back your what you're out. You know, data is important. You know, these devices that we have, we keep our pictures, we keep our documents, we keep all this sensitive information, and we have to be careful when someone calls us and says, hey, I want to try to uninstall your information, or that link that you clicked on is already in your system. And so talk to your local IT professional. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge, here every day working for you. If you have any questions, make sure you give us a call at the 770-693-0769, or business at our locations at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia, and also at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.